Right click, take math script function, click here, select or click OK, size 36. Now I am going to write one code, this one. Okay, so for that we need what is A. So first we will design A. So you know very well what is the A. So let's write. So here you know A is this one. So now you can right click, create A and create P. Right click, create all controls and indicators. So you no need for this error, no need for this error. This A is our both control and indicator both, and this P is our final output. Now run. You can perform standard matrix multiplication which computes, okay, which computes with inner product between row and column, inner product between row and column using operators multiply, using multiply operators, steric operators for, okay. So you can perform the standard matrix manipulation using the, okay, and you can compute it. So theory is here. Done this one. So now let's see, move. Now next code is formatting. Okay, try to format, try to use format long. So what happens if we will use the format long word, and will run, and will, by using the format long you can display a long numbers, but it is I32. That's why we cannot perform, can I extend it? It will also not work with extended because the range is very high. Now k equal to a dot steric a, it's complete operation. Okay, let's try to check. Okay, to perform element wise multiplication rather than matrix multiplication. Okay, to perform the element wise multiplication Okay, so concept is this. So now right click, come into the K indicator. So it means you can square each and every values. Okay, you can square. Okay, you can square each and every values. If I will delete this one, so output will be something else. Okay, if I will, okay, now, so it is a square of complete matrix. Okay, if you will place a dot, so individual value you can square for the of the individual value. Okay, you can also write this thing. Mm, if I am not wrong, so you can also write this code. Okay, sorry, this code. If I am not wrong, so you can also write this code. Okay, if you can write this code, so y is equal to a dot cube. Okay, you can write this thing for the cube also. This code will generate cube. This code will generate cube. Okay,